The abyss, it stares back at me. The ghosts of my fathers are all I can see. This isn't a tremor of fear in my hands. It's the power that shatters the laws of these lands.
I hear the wood crying, a sharp, jagged sound.
The breath of the mountain is shaking the ground.
Rise! Rise!
While the earth still knows your name, feed the spark and hunt the flame. Let the flute carve the air, let the drum wake the dead. Tear out the weakness, put fire in your head. Today you're the wolf, today you're the stone. You're claiming the kingdom, you're taking the throne. No mercy for shadows, no time for the weak. It's the peak of the mountain, the fire we seek. Every heartbeat a hammer, every breath is a blade. I am the master of the choices I made. Close your eyes, can you hear the void? The structures of mercy are being destroyed. You don't need wings to conquer the height. Just the roar of your soul in the middle of the night.
This is the blood! This is the blade! Break every bone! Shatter the cage!
Let the spear splinter, let the shields crack. We're moving forward. There's no